To participate in it, it's a challenge. I guess that's why we do it.
I kia la me ke ia makahiki, holo ana na mea hoe wa'aina mile he kanaha kumakahi, mai hale o lono ma molokai I o ka iwi a hiki loa aku I Waikiki mau ahu moku puni, he ki ina ho'a'o nui aku I ka hiki ke ho'o I kaika ma ke kino uhane a no'ono'o pū.
Pretty much anybody can prepare over a year's time and cross the channel. It's how well you want to cross the channel.
But man, you got a really good team that runs away from the pack. We kind of try and keep up.
Basically start up peace.
I ke lea o Raven, o iai ua hei o ia makamolokai hoa no ka iwa kalua o I paha manawa.
But the women, everybody's so good. The competition is right there, so it's a battle throughout the whole race. It's exciting, as a coach. I love it. That's what it's all about.
I mea ike maka I ka hana ho'o makokau ana wahine no ke ia hei nui o ka paakiki, ua kipa aku I nā wahine o Hui Nalu ma Mauna Lua, ia lako e ho'o makokau ana mako hoi I ka mahele hope pono I o ka hei, mai hana o ma a hiki aku I Waikiki.
The more you get yourself in the water, the more you get used to the elements, the conditions, all those little things plays a factor in the race. So if you're not used to it, you cannot perform to your best level.
Ho'o makokau na alapa hoe wa'a no ka makahiki holo o ko'a me ka lana o ka mana'o e lilo kela me ke ia mile, pelu o pū a ka o ka hoe, he ki ina e kokoke mai ai ka lei o ka lana kila ma ka la o ka hei.
It's a big time commitment. It's a big time commitment. So not only the cross training and the time spent paddling in the canoe, but a lot of time spent rigging the canoe, loading the canoes, trailering the canoes, breaking down after practice, and then, just everything associated with it.
O ke ana ke kolu o ko Claire hei wa'a ana ma ka iwi, a e like me ka mau, e kupa'a ana o ia I ke alakai ana o Denise, he alapa o I hele a kuluma ho'i ke ia hana iaia.
Being out there and having Denise telling you, we want this wave, we need to work hard, because she knows. I don't know, yeah, I'm trying to work hard, but when she's calling it and you're second guessing yourself and you have somebody out there telling you what to do, you can feed off of that and learn from that.
Ua komo a ho'opau o Denise I ke ia hei makaiwi he kana kolu manawa, a ike o ia I ke ano I ulu I kana mākau ala kai a kai ma muli o ke ia hana.
As a little girl, it was like, come on, you guys, go faster, harder. And now as I've aged and gained some wisdom, it's more about psychology of driving the paddlers. There's only so much you can do in a year to be fit and prepared for this. It's mentally is, I think, the hugest aspect of competing in the channel. I think that's the edge that people are looking at now.
O ke kālele I ka au mai kai a ho'olana ka mea e pono e ho'o I kaika ia, oia ke kahi ki ina e imi aku ai.
The reach might not be where I want it, so I might say, wow, you guys have an awesome reach. And then everybody's like, oh, okay, awesome reach.
Ua ike ia o ke ia po aia pili ho'okuku, he mea ia e ho'oka oi ia I ka ike a mākau hoe wa'a. Au ka ho'o makokau pualu, he mea I kaika maoli ai ka pilina o ke kime I makokau kupono lako no ka imi aku I ka lana kila.
Everyone goes out and you want to do, you want to win, or you want to do the best finish you've ever had, or whatever. But when it comes down to it, you want to cross safely and you want to enjoy the time that you have out there with the women that you're with.
A makapae ana aku o ia mo Wa'amua ma Waikiki e ike maka ana ko ka honua nei a puni I ka hapai hou ia ana e o ka pae oi kela e pono ai ka lana kila a pe ia pū ka ho'o makau kau ana.